Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So let's start the next topic, that is the resins. I hope you remember about the general introduction about the resins. So let's see. Resins are the amorphous products of complex chemical nature. Yes, these are the amorphous mixture of essential oils. Number one. Number two is the oxygenated products of terpenes. And number three is the carboxylic acid. And yes, they are found as an exudation from the trunk of various trees. Just see the photograph. This is the resin obtained from the pine tree. Okay, so don't confuse the resin with the gums like gum acacia or gum tragacanth. Gums are of complex polysaccharide in nature, whereas resins are of volatile oil in their nature. They are mixture of terpene, terpenoids plus their oxygenated derivatives plus carboxylic acid, etc. So and they are also highly inflammable, highly flammable also. So sometimes you see the forest fire in the pine trees. It will spread like a the huge forest will under the fire. So due to the highly flammable property, one cannot even control these forest fire because this resin part is highly flammable. So this is the plant we have to remember, that is the benzoin in our syllabus. So benzoin, let's start. You have to remember two type of benzoins are there. We obtain benzoin from two plant species, Sumatra benzoin and Sham benzoin. These two are different plants, okay, but same genus. Just see here. So it is a balsamic resin. Remember, this is a balsam part there. I hope you remember about the classification. Let's recall them classification very fast. So depending upon the type of the constituents, resins are classified into three categories: acid resin, acid ester resin, and resin alcohol. So they are also further classified into, as they are complex homogeneous mixture. So they are classified into oleoresin, oleogum resin, glycoresin, glucoresin, etc. So just see here, what is balsam? Again, benzoic acid plus cinnamic acid. This is the resin part. Okay. So balsam is a benzoic acid, either benzoic acid or cinnamic acid or both, plus resin, that is the volatile oil, plus oxidative products of terpene, plus carboxylic acid is there. Examples are benzoin. This is the syllabus. This is in our syllabus, and this is also in our syllabus. So example of oleogum resin. Again, another example is asafoetida, that is known as the hing. So again, just see Sham benzoin and Sumatra benzoin. This plant is the Sumatra benzoin, that is Starex benzoin. And what is Sham benzoin? This one, Starex tonkinensis, family Styracea, obtained by incision on the stem part. Just see here, Sumatra benzoin, that is Starex benzoin, Sham benzoin, that is Starex tonkinensis. So you have to remember these two plants. So as the name indicates, Sumatra benzoin is obtained from Southeastern Asia, chiefly from Sumatra, and Sham benzoin is obtained from Thailand and Vietnam. Just see the photograph. This is the plant. This is the flower parts. These are present in this plant. So next is the, just see the difference, morphological difference. So color of Sumatra benzoin, grayish brown to gray, whereas Sham benzoin, yellowish brown to rusty brown. Odor, aromatic and characteristic. It's agreeable and vanillin like or vanilla like. Size, it occurs in the form of lumps of varying sizes, whereas it is occurs as a hard brittle mass. See this photograph. This person is collecting the resin part. Okay. Let's talk about the chemical quotient. It contains different type of alcohols like coniferal alcohol, coniferal benzoate, benzoic acid, cinnamic acid. So these are the main chemical compound present in this plant because it contains free balsamic acids like benzoic acid plus cinnamic acid and various esters derived from the plant. Okay. So triterpenoids such as sumaracinoic acid are also present in the plant along with vanillin and phenyl propyl cinnamate. So this is a structure of coniferal alcohol. Here it is coniferal benzoate. This is benzoic acid present in the plant. This is the structure of cinnamic acid. This is another important compound present in the plant, that is sumaresinolic acid from the Sumatra. Sumaresinolic acid. So there is important identification test of benzoin that distinguish between Sumatra and Sham. So benzoin plus ether plus 2 to 3 drops of sulfuric acid. If it will give dark brown color, that is Sumatra benzoin. If it will give dark purple color, this is the Sham one. And second is, this is important, benzoin plus potassium permanganate solution. If you warm it, then it will give a smell of benzaldehyde. Which one? Sumatra. And if it will give none odor or no odor, that means Sham benzoin is there. So uses, there is very famous formulation of benzoin, that is a compound benzoin tincture, and this tincture is used as a stimulant and in case of bronchitis also. So in the form of inhalation it is very much used. Just see here, uses, it is used in the form of compound tincture and as an inhalation, especially in the treatment of upper respiratory tract infection, also used as antiseptic and as a protective. It has industrial applications also, widely used in industry, in used to fix the odor of incenses, soaps, perfumes, and several cosmetics. It is also used to mask the taste of pharmaceutical preparation. So that's why this is very, very economically important plant. So that is all about benzoin. See you in the next lecture. Yes, in the end, I acknowledge all the online platforms that I have used to prepare this video, especially YouTube, SlideShare, Google Images, etc., and other online platforms for preparation of this video. This video is not intended for any of the commercialization purpose. It is only intended for you, for your students, for the education purpose only. Thank you.